Maayong buntag ninyong tanan. So, karon buntag magsayo kay kun yung mata mga alas 7. So, I woke up today at 7 o'clock. Excuse the sniffles. I'm allergic to pollen. Kay natog ko gabi abli akong bintana duha. Mo pud na sayo po ko ni mata. I be waking up early because all my blinds are so like, you know, it's bright. Like, so that's how I wake up in the morning. But today, magpa-COVID test ko. I will be having my COVID test. Ooh, so fun. And yes, my brother Luke is coming to pick me up, and we're just about to spend the day together, even though I literally just moved out like 2 days ago. But you know, he already misses me. Can't wait to see my mom. About to grub good and probably just gonna play some video games, but let's see what the babe brings. Coachella pants. They be having you look right. And this shirt that I stole from my sister, she is never gonna get back. And that is my outfit of the day. Maybe I should wear something else for my COVID test. Oh, also look at these masks that I got from my bestie's boyfriend, my brother Eugene. Thank you so much to his mama. I have my Snow White, and I also have my Ariel one, and I gave my little sister one that's also a Snow White one. That one's hella cute. And then Luke has the Woody one. So yeah, we all have matching Disney masks. And yeah, so today he's coming at like 11:45. Oh, not 11:45, probably like 10:45, because then we gotta go back to San Mateo. See, ang tanan niyang gipangbuhat para nako ba, it's so like, it's just like, oh my god, he's the best. But yeah, 10:45 today, about to go get my COVID test. Pasok ng cotton swab sa akong ilong. So, let's go. It is like damn near 10:45. And look who it is. He's here. He's here.
Get it, loser. We're going shopping.
I'm gonna put my mask on. You look cute. Anyways, I'm about to have, I don't even know how they're gonna do it. Are they gonna shove something at my
You
nose?
have to do it.
Is it just my...
Okay, so it's like the thickness of a toothpick with little like fuzzies on it. You just shove it under there and swirl it around 10 times in each nostril, and then you hand it back to them.
Are you serious? I don't like doing that. You arrived at the COVID testing center. Secret location. Just kidding. Here's my fucking head ass driver's license. I was high as fuck, and then the lady was like, "You look so pretty in this." She said I look pretty in this picture, y'all. What? But we have arrived at the testing center in San Mateo. I'm gonna shove some shit on my nose. Oh, no photos or no videos. He said, "Thank you, Florentina."
Thank you, Miss Flor.
He said, "Thank you." Literal drive-through. So I just presented my ID, and there's my little testing kit, and we're about to go inside to the testing center. Nang ibutang ang Q-tip sa akong ilong. I'm fucking crying. Where's she at though? Hey, mother. There she goes. Brother. Give me a room tour. Show us your room. Pakita mi sa yung kwarto. Increase. No, here first.
This is my desk area now.
We should have taken a video of my room before we moved everything out.
And I need to go through and like find pictures of the old.
Dudong's bathroom, even though it looks the same-ish as how it was before.
Made it.
Very cute. So yeah. Yeah. Sapay lain daw. Yung computer. Ooh, yung bedroom. Okay.
My favorite thing is making that.
Sexy. We should decide
No.
what light you want. Unsa may lights nga mo gawas dong? Ooh, ninduta. Where's like mood lights? It's like mood lights.
Yeah, and so
It's less harsh on the eyes.
yeah, that's what we really like about them. So
This is the same. This is like how I feel like your old room was lit up. Like this is like the same like kind of lighting that was.
Yeah,
in
but
the
it's like
old room.
spread out more, and
Yeah, I like it.
Versus it just being this.
Mhm.
So that's the nice thing, and then like So I just bought like a shit ton of lights
Oh my god, I
on
hate you.
Amazon, but they're all Alexa paired. So I can like say like Alexa turn on this.
Tanawa good name. Oh my gosh, so boogie. Anyways, don't buy from Amazon, but he bought lights from Amazon because he needed to buy lights for his room, but that's the last time he's buying from Amazon.
Yeah, I do try and buy from Etsy.
Yeah,
I can.
everybody buy from
Whenever I
Etsy.
can't find something I'm looking for from Etsy, or I can't find it at the store,
Yeah.
Amazon's
Amazon is the last resort.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
But support your black
She's
businesses.
not canceled all the way, but
She's kind of canceled.
she's been knocked down a couple pegs. Okay.
Okay, so si Alexa di ay mo pang ug moabli sa iyang lights for his
I
room.
got that, and I got plugs that pair with her too, so that
Girl.
those ones. Instead of, because then like the one thing I hate, so stupid, but like I just too many remotes.
Yeah, I don't like that
so
either.
now I can like just say like turn on
Yeah.
the bedside light.
Palitan ko niya daghan kayong lights before, like he bought hella lights for the room when I was still like hanging out here. But then I would never use the lights because like we have a light in behind the TV and like all that stuff, and like he has remotes for like both those lamps, but I would just always use this one. Anyway, so tell us where your bed sheets are from, though.
Well, these ones I ordered some from Etsy, but they were coming from like Belarus or something, so they're taking their sweet ass time.
What is Belarus at?
Belarus is in Europe.
Oh, foreign. He got some foreign things. Yeah, well, we'll fact check that later. We'll find out where Belarus is at.
But yeah, so then yesterday we went to Marshall's and I got these sheets.
White ones?
They're kind of like a cotton blend. The back pillow. They're
Ooh.
from Portugal, apparently. So.
So honestly, what do I expect from my brother? Nothing less than
Foreign.
foreign and all that
And
bougie.
the green was from Amazon. Sorry.
Oh god, I hate you. Well, anyways, show us what's on your wall. Oh, Niaz! Shout out to Niaz for this. Facts. Speaking facts. A system cannot fail. Those was never designed to protect. Abolish the system. And what is that?
This. So I got the shelves also from Etsy from
Oh,
London,
cute. I like it.
Europe or whatever. This giraffe is from Africa. My sibling's mom brought it home for me.
Love
as a
it.
gift. This is a scratch map, so I can like scratch off the places I've been to.
Yay! Did you scratch off any places yet?
Yeah, just the States and Italy. I didn't count the places that I like flew into.
Okay, cool. Next time we'll be traveling over here
Yes.
when COVID goes away.
Yeah. This is a lamp from Egypt.
Cute!
And this is Garrett.
I love it. It's literally like a museum in my brother's room. Anyways, next.
This is just like a little moon. It's not charged, but I just.
Does it light up too?
Yeah, it does.
For real?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh.
It does.
And then what books do you have right here?
One's called Silver Pennies. It's a little poetry poem book that my mom had as a little kid, and then this is Letters to a Young Poet, which is a gift from my godmother.
And he's going to Cal Poly Salam! So he has that flag up.
This is a Andy Warhol thing.
And then you have all your
my
books.
books
Oh,
are
I
up
like
there.
that. And I
Yeah.
like how there's lights under. I like it. I love it.
Well, yeah, now the bookshelf, we put this up. I'm kind of worried because it's like leaning, but mom's like, it's not gonna fall. And I'm like, I don't know.
I'm like, okay,
I'm
Tina.
like, that angle though?
Okay, Tina. Nah, she know what she's talking about.
But yeah, the TV has lights behind it, which
Love
makes
it.
that glow. Trying to get this fixed. It's like a record player
Yes.
thing on the inside. Got the Beatles hang up, and then the closet's been organized.
Yes.
This has lights in here.
Oh my gosh.
I got this
love
at
it.
Target.
I love it. All those games. Ooh, organizing from Target.
Yeah, so I've freed up. I need to buy, like these don't fit, so I have to buy new ones, drawers or whatever for this. But then I like freed up 3 shelves from having this stuff there.
I love it.
So
if y'all need help organizing things, hit up Luke
know,
Abazaba on
some
Instagram.
rat left her jacket here.
Okay, that's my jacket for like everything. It's my ride or die jacket. So
And
I
mom was
mean,
like, "Oh, so she left it so when she comes home she can have something warm." I'm like, "Yeah," but she's probably gonna take it with her like when she leaves. And she's like, "Oh."
anyways.
Hello.
Oh yes, this is my
From,
favorite part of his room.
From
It's
Target.
literally the best chair ever. I sleep there nightly sometimes
I'm like, that's where she sleeps now.
whenever I come home.
Oh
And
my
then
God,
I love
that's
this
it.
picture.
Yes.
Luke's twin. our handsome Cam.
Do you think I look like
Oh, and
this?
he has that little lava lamp, guys. It
don't-
takes forever to light up, but it's very cool.
I can't tell. Haven't been able to turn
What?
it on. I have to like.
Oh my god, and I have to show them. Oh my god, so I'm a PS4 girl now. I'm a gamer girl. So I be playing this game.
Oh, and your new one came in too.
What? Ah! Wait, who is that?
This is the 4th Uncharted.
Is that
This is
Nathan?
his last one.
So I have a crush on the guy in this video game. His name is Nathan Drake. Love it. We love the aesthetic.
You need to come back.
We love the aesthetic in this room. Oh, and Luke's New York poster. He loves New York. That's basically the basic theme of his room.
Yeah, do
like,
you feel like I achieved that?
Yeah.
We do feel like
I
we
think you
achieved it.
did.
Does she love the lights?
yes,
Yes.
I love the mood lights,
I
Mom.
know.
Mother, have you decided what you wanted to eat, Mother?
Judy proposed sandwiches.
Sandwich or burritos, Mexican food.
Sandwich? Would you like a Reuben?
She does not care. She'd be like, you sure you're making the right choice?
Sandwiches.
So Mom loves Reuben's. I like to plain ass sandwiches with just meat and like some spread. I don't get stuff. I don't like anything on my sandwich.
Okay, well, let's order them.
Yeah, order him.
I will.
Mom, let me see the update in your room. Give us a room tour, Mom.
It's not much.
Okay,
But I did get rid of the other blanket.
yes.
Got this little
Did you sleep in here last
Anyway,
night?
I like this
inexpensive
one.
blanket at Target.
Target.
Yes, I did sleep in here
All
last
night?
Yes, I did.
My mother never sleeps in her room ever.
You have this
Exciting.
plant, this fake plant.
What is it? What kind of plant is this? It's pretty.
It's a fake plant.
Isn't it pretty?
It's nice.
My
Aw.
And then I ordered new lights for.
Where are those
these,
going?
These are for her TV now because I got different ones for the.
She wanted those a long time ago, and she finally got them.
I'm like, I want some lights behind
Look
me.
at oh, and Mom's
Behind the
jewelry
fan.
collection. I just want to show them how pretty your room is. And then what else do you have? Oh, Mom's. Tell us about your posters, Mom. Ano sama na imong poster diha?
Okay, let me turn on some light.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is all of the gigs that Mom like made posters for. So akong inahan is a music photographer here in the Bay Area. So she's very loved and well known by like all of these amazing artists that I've seen. Not some of them. Right?
Yeah, I didn't make this one, but I did make these others.
Yes. They're all very
And
near and
except for
dear
this one.
to her heart.
Yes, friends of mine, gigs I went to, photographs I took, and over here as well.
Yeah.
Not aside from that big one in the middle, and this couple of these big ones down here, but
Uh-huh.
a lot of those, most of those have photos that I've taken. Of
And
gigs that
you
I've
made the
had.
posters too, right?
And I made the posters a lot of times, yeah.
She be like that.
Yeah.
And then here's
Except for
what?
Except for these that are the blue ones. These are Ryan. My friend Ryan made all the ones for the Club Fox.
Shout out to Ryan.
Shout out to Ryan. We love Ryan.
And then Mom's other jewelry collection here. And then this is one of my favorite parts of her room too because
It's a mess.
it's like pretty.
Don't go low. Don't go
Okay,
low.
I'm not gonna go low. But all of
Go
her
high.
jewelry and stuff. Thank you, Mom, for your room
Costume
tour.
Jewelry.
Yes. My boo daddy, Nathan Drake. I'm about to find some treasures and hang out with my girl Chloe.
Miss Chloe Tim.
Yes, so we in this beach. Let's do it. Yikes. Watching the Kingmaker. Oh my god. It's a female Donald Trump. We just finished watching The Kingmaker on Showtime. And it's about the Marcos regime and, you know, Imelda Marcos and how she's helping her son, Bong Bong, you know, coming to power as vice president, and how Lenny Robredo is accused, and if she's convicted with everything that she's accused of, she could face 12 years in jail. So I just think it's a very interesting inside look on personas of leaders, like leaders who have come into power, and it's very insightful about their motives and what drives them. So I think it's a very interesting little documentary that people should check out if you guys are looking for something to watch on Netflix. But yeah, I think we're about to just have some dessert and then go to bed, probably roll up and hit the sack. But yeah, today was a good day, and right now we just all winding down, getting ready to all go to bed. My sister just said good night, and thanks for watching. Good night. And that concludes today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe.